Welcome to another episode of Nature's Hidden Gems, where we explore the fascinating history and incredible health benefits of the world's most beloved fruits. Please watch this video to the end to enjoy really cheerful cherry jokes. In a world filled with extraordinary fruits, there is one that stands out with its vibrant hue and tantalizing taste, the cherry. Join me as we delve into the captivating history and discover the remarkable health benefits hidden within these tiny, ruby treasures. Under the warm summer sun, the cherries ripen one by one. Their sweet juice bursting with delight, a tasty summer treat, so ripe and bright. Let's take a step back in time and discover how this remarkable fruit has fascinated civilizations throughout the ages. Mesopotamian marketplace, bustling with activity. The story of cherries begins in the cradle of civilization, ancient Mesopotamia. The fertile lands between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers witnessed the cultivation of cherries over 4,000 years ago. Our journey begins centuries ago, in the fertile regions of Western Asia and Eastern Europe, where cherries first flourished. Cherries quickly spread their roots and were cherished by ancient civilizations such as the Greeks and Romans. Ancient Greece, Ancient Rome, Ancient China. Cherries soon found their way into the hearts and diets of many civilizations, from the pharaohs of Egypt to the emperors of Rome. They were cherished for their sweet and tart flavor, as well as their remarkable medicinal properties. The ancient Greeks believed that cherries were a gift from the gods, while the Romans indulged in lavish feasts with these delectable fruits. Cherries even found their way to China, where they were revered for their beauty and symbolism of good luck. These are images of ancient Greek and Roman artwork featuring cherries. The cherry's sweet taste and alluring appearance captured the hearts of ancient civilizations. Babylonians and Romans revered cherries, using them in their religious ceremonies and even decorating their palaces with cherry motifs. Today, delicious cherries continue to captivate people around the world. Lavish spring cherry blossoms. From the annual cherry festivals in the United States to Japan's cherished Sakura season, cherries remain an icon of celebration and delight. But cherries are more than just a captivating fruit with a rich history. They are a nutritional powerhouse packed with numerous health benefits. First and foremost, cherries are a natural source of antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which give them their deep red color. These antioxidants help protect our bodies against harmful free radicals, which can contribute to aging and chronic diseases. Cherries are packed with essential nutrients, such as vitamins A, C, and E, as well as potassium and fiber. But what truly sets cherries apart are their powerful antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. Studies have shown that cherries can aid in reducing inflammation, promoting better sleep, and even alleviating muscle soreness. Their high antioxidant content helps fight against oxidative stress and supports brain health. Additionally, they are low in calories and have a low glycemic index, making them an ideal snack for those watching their weight or managing blood sugar levels. Cherries also boast anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to compounds like quercetin and ellagic acid. Studies suggest that these anti-inflammatory agents may help reduce the risk of heart disease, arthritis, and even certain types of cancer. They contain high levels of vitamin C, which boosts our immune system and promotes healthy skin. Additionally, cherries are rich in potassium, known to support heart health and regulate blood pressure. Cherries also have a unique ability to promote sleep and aid in muscle recovery. They are a natural source of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles. Consuming cherries or drinking cherry juice has been shown to improve sleep quality and duration. For those seeking joint health, cherries offer a delicious solution. Research suggests that cherries possess anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce symptoms of arthritis and gout. Cherries are grown in numerous varieties across the globe, with different regions showcasing their unique flavors. There are 9 popular cherry variety: Bing, Rainier, Montmorency, Lambert, Kina, Sweetheart, Lapins, Tulare cherries and Royal Anne cherries. Now that we've explored the remarkable health benefits of cherries, let's not forget the mouth-watering ways we can enjoy them. While best eaten fresh, cherries also make great additions to recipes like pies, jams, salads and smoothies. Frozen, dried, jam or juiced cherries can provide year-round nutrition. Whether in a classic cherry pie, a refreshing cherry smoothie, or as a delightful topping for salads or yogurt, cherries lend their distinct flavor and natural sweetness to a wide array of culinary delights. Simple delicious cherry parfait recipe. 2 cups fresh cherries, pitted, 1/2 cup of fresh blueberries, 1/2 cup granola, 2 cups vanilla whole milk Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey. Directions: chop cherries with Greek yogurt as shown. Layer the parfait. In serving glasses, begin by adding a layer of yogurt at the bottom. Add honey, blueberries, and cherries on top. Your healthy dessert is ready. Enjoy! Their versatility in both sweet and savory dishes is truly remarkable. From ancient civilizations to modern-day research, cherries have delighted palates and provided a wealth of health benefits. So, next time you enjoy these delectable fruits, remember the rich history and the extraordinary wonders they offer. And, some cherry jokes. What do you call a cherry that tells jokes? A pit. How do you make a cherry laugh? Tell it a pit joke. Who is Cherry's favorite actor? Brad Pitt. Why was the cherry always blushing? It couldn't stop dreaming being a lady cherry pit Brad one day. Have you heard a new song called Cherry, Cherry Lady? Until next time, stay cherry full. So, savor the season before it's past, and enjoy sweet cherries summer cannot last. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.